Hello guys, we're going to see the different animals that are in the zoo, okay? The zoo animals are alligator, yes, alligator, cheetah, chimpanzee, elephant, flamingo, giraffe, gorilla, hippopotamus, kangaroo, leopard, lion, monkey, orangutan, otter, panda, penguin, yes, penguin, polar bear, rhinoceros, tiger, and zebra. Yes, these are the animals that exist at the zoo. Esos son los animales del zoológico, chicos, right? Esos son los animales del zoológico. Ok, let me correct here. Déjenme corregirles aquí porque ahorita eso se los voy a pasar. Penguin. Ok, the penguin I have, tenía escrito con una I y es con N. Okay guys, now what we're gonna do? First of all, we're going to see the animals at the zoo and we're going to circle. Vamos a encerrar los que pertenecen al zoo, al zoológico. We have the elephant, we have the zebra, we have the pig, we have the cat, we have the bear, we have the hen, we have the giraffe, yes, the dog, and the lion. What we're gonna do? Only the animals that belongs to the zoo, solo los que pertenecen al zoológico, we're going to circle. For example, the elephant belongs to the zoo? Yes, we're going to circle. The zebra belongs to the zoo too. The pig? No. The cat? No. The bear? Yes. The hen? No, right? Eso no pertenece al zoológico. And down here, y aquí abajito tenemos the giraffe. The giraffe is in the zoo? Yes. The dog? No. The lion? Yes. Okay, when we finish that, we're going to do the animal crossword. Tenemos este cruzado, chicos. We have the words in Spanish and we're going to translate in English. Tenemos las palabras en español y las vamos a traducir en inglés. Across, todas las que van cruzadas. Aquí vemos el number 2, el number 5, 6, 9 and 10. Es tigre, pingüino, camello, delfín y cebra. Tiger, penguin, camel, dolphin and zebra. Down, las que van para abajo, tenemos oso, que es bear, elefante, elephant, jirafa, giraffe, león, lion, and mono, monkey. I have here, ya las tengo aquí, para que ustedes las pasen. Tigre, tiger. Pingüino, penguin. Camello, camel. Dolphin, zebra, bear, elephant, giraffe, lion, and monkey. You see? These are the words. Tiger, penguin, camel, dolphin, zebra, bear, elephant, giraffe, lion, and monkey. When you have the words, cuando tengan las palabras, yes, you're going to try to put it in the crossword. Vamos a ponerlas, sí, en el cruzado. For example, the number 2, tiger. Vamos a buscar dónde está el number 2. Aquí está el number 2. Y aquí vamos a poner tiger, yes. Y vamos a ir completando el crossword. Okay, guys? Now, the next exercise. Siguiente ejercicio. How many animals do you see? Aquí vamos a contar, chicos. Vamos a utilizar los números que ya no sabemos. ¿Qué animal is that? Animal is the lion. How many? ¿Cuántos vemos? 2. I see. 2 con letra. 2 lions. What animal is that? It's a giraffe. How many? 1, 2, 3. I see 3 giraffes, yes, and we're going to continue. What animal is that? Zebras. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 zebras and 5 elephants. Okay, guys? Now, you need to match what animals live in each space. Vamos a adivinar qué animal vive en la granja y cuál en el zoológico. Lo vamos a unir. For example, como ejemplo tenemos the lion. The lion lives at the zoo. The goose, que es el ganso, este vive en la granja. We're going to match, vamos a unirlo. Giraffe at the zoo, pig at the farm, tiger at the zoo, cow, que es la vaca, at the farm. And you're going to continue with the other ones. Y vamos a continuar con los otros. And this is the end of the booklet. Y este es el final Sí, chicos, de los ejercicios. Thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.